Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle Cohl, and I had the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Melanie Cain Gallo, a business psychology coach. Dr. Melanie helps companies and individuals reach their peak performances through tactical consulting, and this makes a lasting transformation. It's understandable that a lot of people see business coaching similar to therapy and counseling, but there are some major differences between them. Let's go to Melanie and see what she has to say.
The main difference is, well, for one, therapy and counseling are more medical. They deal with insurance companies, we'll put it that way. Coaches don't deal with insurance companies. Coaching is more for accountability. It's more proactive, I would say. Therapy and counseling tend to focus more on repairing psychological difficulties and, things that come up in people's lives, loss, you know, different life situation changes. Coaching is more for focusing on the achievement of personal and professional success. So like in my field, business psychology, we focus on helping professionals reach both the underlying psychological levels of things that they can do to improve, not necessarily trying to fix anything or, identify a specific problem. And then we look at, okay, how can we apply the more technical, practical steps in a more of a consulting role so that their personal lives and their businesses can be more successful.
There must be, I'm sure, some situations that you deal with that, in business, when someone, is getting some coach and information that they're having issues from their past kind of sneak up on them in the business, which is really affecting how they're even moving forward with how they're conducting the business.
Right. And that definitely does come up. And that's where training is key, because you have to be able to separate. And a lot of times people can't separate. They just know they feel bad. They just know, I'm experiencing this and this is happening in my life. And so if say, for example, if I'm coaching someone and it seems as if they need more of a therapy or a counseling engagement, then I will tell them this is beyond the scope of what I do. I mean, you need someone who is specialized and licensed and trained in specifically what you need. And I think this might be deeper than just, working through a few things that you've got going on in your business. And so that's always something in a conversation that, if and when those situations come up, a good coach will know how to separate the two and then recommend someone for, other help.
So the main points, what would you say are, if you had to maybe give like 3 or 5 main points that, coaching versus therapy, what would those points be?
When you think of a lighthouse, the lighthouse assists you in navigating by signaling entries and obstacles and barriers that might be in your way. That's how a coach operates. A coach assists you in navigating through your life, through your business, helps you to identify these particular obstacles and move them out of the way, or help you figure out how to navigate around them. A coach is not going to tell you what your goals are. The coach is going to help you uncover those things that lead to your goals.
If your business is ready to reach new heights, contact Dr. Melanie today.